Hello and croeso, that means welcome. This is lesson number 6, the search for lesson 3. Fittingly, this lesson will be about numbers. By the end of this lesson you'll learn how to count and say your age and things like that. Okay, first of all, before I start, I'd like to say hello to all the new subscribers. I'm really chuffed that a lot of people are following this. Again, if you want me to say any words, or you need to learn anything in Welsh, let me know and I'll slip it into the next lesson. So, hello everybody, there's too many of you for me to mention separately, and I've also already slipped a couple of words in earlier if you were looking out for them. If not, play it again, it's alright, I don't mind. Okay, shall we begin? Right, okay, numbers 3 and 4 lead secret double lives in Welsh, yeah, because they can be both male or female. Now this is because Welsh, like a lot of other European languages, have only numbers between 1 and 10 that actually can be either male or female. The rest are pretty straightforward. Okay, next, number 5, undeg now, yeah, undeg now, and 20 is 2 tens. So you got dau-ddeg. Yeah? Now, did you hear what I said then? I didn't say dau-deg because when previous word ends in a vowel, which is a, e, or, u, as you can probably see somewhere, the d in deg turns to the. So it's dau-ddeg. Okay? So 21 is dau-ddeg-un. 2 tens and a 1. Okay, have you got it so far? So, tree complicated. But generally speaking, when we say 2 women or 2 men, we say it differently. I'll give you an example. 2 men is dau dyn. Yeah, 2 men. 2 women. See, the word for 2 is different. So, dau is male, dwy is female. When describing anything else, stick to the male because you can't really go far wrong. As far as 3 goes, it's either tri, male, or tair, female. Okay? And as for number 4, you've got pedwar, which is male, and pedair, which is female. Okay, so 2, 3 and 4. They're the only numbers between 1 and 10 that actually can be either male or female. The rest are pretty straightforward. Okay, next. Number 5, pimp. Yep, you heard me right. And number 5's got the big hat and the cane on it. Pimp. Number 6. Number 6. Oh, it's got a CH in it. I know you hate those words, but number 6 is chwech. Number 7. Saith. 8. Wyth. Number 9 is now, as in right now, yeah? 9 actually in Welsh means grandmother, by the way, so if you've got grandmother, she's your 9. And 10 is deg. Deg also means fair, as well, in Welsh. So what if you want to say 11? Well, in Welsh, we just say 1 10 and 1 is 11. Right? Sounds complicated, but not really. So, undeg-un. 1 10 1. That's 11. So can you guess what 12 is? That's right, 1 10 and 2. So, undeg-dau. 13? It's alright, I can wait. Undeg-tri. And so on until you get to 19, which is undeg now. Yeah, undeg now. And 20 is 2 tens. So you got dau-ddeg. Yeah? Now, did you hear what I said then? I didn't say dau-ddeg because when a previous word ends in a vowel, which is a, e, or, e, u, as you can probably see somewhere, the d in deg turns to the. So it's dau-ddeg. Okay? So 21 is dau-ddeg-un. 2 tens and a 1. Okay, have you got it so far? So 3-deg is 30, pedwar-deg is 40, 5-deg 50, and so on. Okay, got that so far? Excellent. You might also hear the word ugain, which is a formal Welsh word to mean 20. You'll also hear sort of deugain, which is 2 20s, which is 40, and trigain, which is 3 20s and 60. But they're not used as much, really, and if you say dau-ddeg, no one will look down on you. So what happens if you get to naw-deg now? And what happens then? Well, 100 is cant. No, not can't, but cant. And if you want to say 101, it's cant ag-un. Or cant-un, if you want. Okay? Or cant-dau, cant-tri, cant-pedwar, etc. So you get to 110, cant-deg. Cant-undeg-un is 111, cant-undeg-dau, etc, etc. So then you go all the way up to naw-chant, naw-deg, a naw. Okay? And what happens then? 1,000 is a meal. Not meal that you eat, but meal. That's how you pronounce it. So, un mil ag-un is 1001. How about un mil uirchant ag-undeg-un is 1111. Got you so far? Now when we read out years, it tends to be, we just either read out the digits, so this year, which is 2009 if you're watching this any other year, we read out as in dau dim dim naw, which is 2 nothing nothing 9. Yeah? Or you could say 2009. Yeah? Again, thousands can be male or female, but you can say dau mil a naw if you want. No one will look down on you. So, now you know all the numbers up to naw mil, naw cant, naw-deg, a naw. Where do you go then from there? Well, you've got deg meal. After meal, you've got million, which isn't hard to remember, isn't it? Million. A billion, which is the British billion, has got 9 zeros after it. So how do you say I'm that many years old? Well, it's quite easy. Repeat after me and say dwi'n, as in duh with a dwi'n, which means I am. Then the number, blwydd oed, which is years old. So, dwi'n 29 blwydd oed. There you go. I'm not going to say what that is in English, you can guess how old I am. I'm 30 blwyddyn yma. This year. So yeah, that's how old I am. And that's it really. So now you can count and you can say how old you are. So again, if you've got any messages, any requests, just ask. Leave a comment or a response. I'd love to see video responses. I think they're ace. And until next time, hwyl fawr. Ta-ra.